Hi everyone. Really scary things are happening at immigration court. I'm sure you've all seen the reports about ICE arrests following master calendar hearings. We want you to know what's happening and what are the things you can do to protect yourself. So first of all, what's happening? What's happening is that at master calendar hearings, which are the preliminary hearings where judges typically make logistical, they do logistical things and often schedule for a final hearing or a trial. At these master calendar hearings, ICE attorneys, the prosecutors, are requesting that the judge dismiss a case. They're doing this typically where somebody has been here for less than 2 years. I'm sure we're going to start seeing differences, but for the moment, it's been with people who have been here less than 2 years. Sometimes the person has already applied for asylum and sometimes not. So the ICE attorney is asking for the judge to dismiss the case. If the judge dismisses the case, that means there's no more case with immigration court. The judge doesn't have any authority over your case anymore. And ICE is arresting people whose cases have been dismissed and detaining them and putting them into what's called expedited removal proceedings. Expedited removal means a quick deportation. If this happens to you and you are afraid to go back to your country, you must tell the ICE officer that you are afraid to go back to your country and that you want a credible fear interview. If you pass that interview, you will then be allowed to seek asylum with an immigration judge. But what can we do to protect you? What can you do to protect yourself so that you're not detained by ICE? First of all, if the prosecutor says to the judge, I would like this case to be dismissed, you can say, Your Honor, I don't want the case to be dismissed. Please don't dismiss my case, and please give me time to speak to an attorney about this. And hopefully the judge will do that. If the judge doesn't give you time, if he or she does dismiss your case, then you have to say, I would like to appeal this decision. The reality is it will be very hard to prevent an arrest and detention if the judge dismisses the case. That's the reality. And so everyone has to have a plan, an emergency plan. What are you going to do in a worst case scenario? Somebody should know, a trusted person should know that you have an immigration court hearing that day, and they should know who to call if something happens to you. As I said before, if you are afraid to return to your country, if you're arrested, you have to request a credible fear interview so that you have the opportunity to explain why you are afraid, and then you will be able to seek asylum with the immigration judge. These are very scary times. Truly, they're very scary, and we really do understand that. And we want to make sure that you all know what you can do to best protect yourself, to best inform yourself, and that we are in a moment where ICE is arresting a lot of people, and that is also part of the reality. So the best thing you can do is find out as much information as you can and say to the judge, I don't want my case dismissed, and please give me time to talk to a lawyer about it. One other thing that's worth it to mention, if you have to appear in person, you can always submit a written request to the immigration judge asking you to be allowed to appear virtually. If you want to do that, you have to submit that request as far in advance as possible, and definitely before your hearing. It has to be a written request. You have to submit a copy to the Department of Homeland Security because that is the office of the prosecutors. And I can't tell you if the judge will grant that request or not, but you can always ask to appear virtually. Okay, good luck.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh musidɓe haray ko anndingol on ko onnungo ñamakalajo men ɗo yewti ko adi kon taw wonni wo no gelorɗen noon haray piiji hawniɗi piiji hulɓiniɗi waɗude feendo ɗo e tribunauji ɗin ɗulle ko fii honɗum yimɓe on ɓe yawde fii ñaawore maɓɓe aranere nden ɗum ko master calendar hearing noon no geloɗon noon ko woowi si goɗɗo yehi fii nde ñaawore ɗo juge ɓe ɓen ko piiwoy ko piiwoy toskoye ɓe wowi waɗugol wona honɗum landagol on tigi inde makko nden haala ko wolata kon adresse makko on ko nanditete sifa ɗum ɗon on say noon ɓe ndaara no ɓe waɗirana on tigi ñalande fii ñaawore makko tigi tigiri nden no tawa ɓe noon yimɓe woɓɓe ɓen hara ɓe landinoke fattare kono woɓɓe ɓen hara ɓe landaki fattare e ɗum kayen kadi haray woɓɓe haray ko yimɓe ɓe timminali ɗo duuɓi ɗiɗi gila ɓe naati ko leydi on tini so joni noon ko honɗum AIS on woni wadde ɗum ko police immigration on si on tigi yeeyi nde ñande on andi ara ñamakalajo laamu ngun kayen ken no tonde ñande yiɓe landade juge on yo dismiss case on tigi on e mana ɓe inna kala ko ɓe fawno on tigi joni kamɓe ɓe itti hara yo juge on ittanɓe newnanɓe ɗum ɗon on tini si tawi noon juge on waɗi ɗum ɗon haray a ittandema on saayi ɗon haray kanko juge on o mara doole hoore on case ɗon ande kadi ɓaara on gaynidi on tini so joni noon no procureur jon waɗiri ɗum ɗon si on tigi yalti o yaltigo tribunal ota AIS on no habbimo ɗon ɓe reɓɓa on tigi ɓe nanngamo si ɓe nanngimo ɓe waɗamo ko ɓe innata kon expedited removal proceeding ɗum ko honɗum firi ko etagol no ɓe yaltindira on tigi no yaawiri e leydi ndin on tini so ko ɗum ɓe nata rapid deportation ara on tigi yalta e leydi ndin no yaawiri joni noon wosi ɗum ɗo yeɓi on tigi hara on tigi noon no huuli yiltitagol ko leydi mum sabu mo huuli yo bone yaɓay wonki makko ken haray ko yo on tigi yeeto on AIS officer jo ɗon on agent jo AIS ɗon immigration on wondema himo faala yoɓe waɗanmo ko ɓe innata kon credible fear interview ko ɗum woni credible fear interview ko interview mo ɓe waɗanta on tigi ndaarugol si tawi himo mari kulol yiltagol ko leydi makko on tini mo mari kulol ko tawata mo huuli wata wonki makko kin ronke dandede so yiltigi ko leydi makko on tini on tigi lando ɗum ɗon officer jo on o innamo miɗo faala yo newnanan ɗum ɗon si ɓe newnani on tigi ɗum ɗon noon sari on ko noon wiri so on tigi landiki ɓe hani mo newnangol si on tigi feƴƴi o interview ɗon noon on say noon o lando fattare e fee juge immigration onni wo joni noon ko honɗum on tigi haanu waɗugol ko honɗum haanuɗen waɗugol fi protégegol hara ɗum ɗo e ɓaali on tigi hara aysre ɓaali on tigi wakaadi kon taw si tawi laamu ngun wi wondema hiɓe faala yo juge on dismiss o case ɗo on tigi ko yeyetto juge on o inna juge jo hara mi torikema min wata dismiss o case ɗo mi faalaka ya waɗananmo dismiss on tini o innamo mi torikema wata waɗanan o case ɗo dismiss miɗo faala continuegol haray o yeyetto juge on newnanan no mi yeɓira feere no mi yewtirira e avocat jo on tini si tawi noon juge on newnanali on tigi ɗum noon o inni kanko joni o yahay tun o waɗa ko ɓeelandimo kon haray on tigi yetto juge on o inna joni haray lan faala waɗugol appel e o décision ɗo on tini waɗugol noon appel ko yawgol dow juge on ko towɗo ɓuuri juge on inna ɓe dartu décision makko on ko ɗum ɗo woni waɗugol appel on tini kono réalité on haray no metti fii haɗugol yo on tigi nangue ɓe jogomo si tawi tun juge on waɗi case makko on dismiss on tini ko ɗum ɗon woni réalité on tigi tigiri on on wo joni noon mo kala e men no haani yeɓugol ko ɓennata kon emergency plan si tawi on emergency plan ko on ɗum faani ko préparation e mana si sifa ɗum ɗo ari yeɓugol on tigi on tini ara ko emergency wonti no haani andingol goɗɗo mo hooli wonde mo mari ñaawore ɗo yo yawnde ñande ñaawore makko nen hara ɓe andi ko on ɗum ɓe waɗata si on tigi ronki artugol on tini ɗulle hara ko honɗum hara ɓe waaway andugol ko hombo ɓe haani noddugol ko hambo beyani yewtugol fi hare ko woni yeɓude on tigi kon si on tigi no mari ɓeygure ɗo hara ɓeygure nden kayen kadi andinte simo mari ɗo affaire ji hara affaire ji makko ɗin waway dartede on tini hara no woodi e mana mo on tigi halfini goɗɗum hara ko halfini fipiji makko ɗin fof haray komo hooli on tini hara on tini no hani en fof eɗen duwa yeɓude o plan ɗo on tini so tawi ko marɗo fayɓe hara mo andi siwa ɗum ɗo yeeɓimo Allah dandu hara no woodi wawoɓe dankanade on tigi fayɓe makko ɓen e ko nanditita e sifa ɗum noon ko ɗum woni préparagol fiisi ɗum ɗo yeeɓi on tigi on wo kono si tawi on tigi toujours hara no huuli yiltagol ko leydi mum si tawi o nanngama ko yo yeetoɓe o inna mum ɗo faalayoɓe waɗanmo ko ɓeynata concredible fear interview wona no yewtinoɗen noon nanen fiino wawa landitagol fattare on tini oni wo ɗi sahaji ɗo ko sahaji hulɓiniɗi en fo eɗen faami ɗum ɗon takkagol wo ala fen ɗo piji ɗi no hulɓini moƴƴa noon ko woni wadde kon on tini woko saabu ɗum ɗon waɗi siɓe faala yen fo yen andu ko honɗum hanuɗen waɗugol yeɓen information tigui tiguiri jon anden ko honɗum hanuɗen waɗugol sen woni e o situation ɗo si tawi aysi ari nanngugol on tigi ko honɗum o hani waɗugol si tawi ɓe ari landagol juge jon yoɓe juge on dismiss case on ko on ɗi hani waɗugol haray no yewtirɗen noon ko yo lando juge on yo juge on newnanmo no wawa yewtirgol e avocat jo fi wallitotoɗo mo on tini na yonti daro noon tun fanka hara no ndaara hakkude maɓɓe toon ma o inna koɓe wooli o inna awa ma ko nanditete sifa ɗum noon ko on tigi andu ko honɗum hani waɗugol si tawi mo e on situation ɗon so ko sabannema ɗum ɗon waɗi siɓe andinde en ɗum ɗo on tini oni wo haare noon ko honɗum kayen kadi en fof hanuɗen waɗugol so tawi on tigi no andi no sifa o situation ɗo no mari ñawore on tigi no wawi landagol waɗugol demande hara noon no lutti sahaji buygoy ɗo e ñawore on tigi ne na on tigi accu an ñande ñawore ne innano wadde on demande ɗon koye on tigi windu demande o winda demande o lando juge on yo juge on newnanmo waɗa ñawore makko nden hara koko internet on tigi waɗata ñawore nden on tini on andi ɗon ara hulaɗa yiide e goɗɗo sakko no ɓeyna ɓe reɓɓete on tini so kono noon so on tigi waɗi o demande ɗo koyo ɗettu copie o naɓana DHS on andi ko ɓen ɗon woni fii kamɓe procureur on haray ko ɗon ñama e laamu ngun e mana kamɓe immigration o kayma ko naɓante juge jon kon on tini so hara woɗay ko internet waɗiren noon haray ɗum ɗo fof ko fii haɗugol bone yo yeɓo on tigi on tini so haray ko ɗum ɗon ɓe yewti en ɗo ko raɓɓiɗi to en walla mo kala mo heɓali kaydi no heɓira kaydi yore jaam moƴƴere ɓe yiya nafa mum ara ɓe ukkaki e probléme ji haray joni en wi ɗum sallahu lan ɗon jaaɓi assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh